Hey folks, this video is a review of Homoglow.com. It is a platform that claims to connect individuals with professional house cleaners for booking cleaning services. It offers flexible scheduling with a starting price of $19. The platform allows users to select a cleaner based on ratings and availability and provides various cleaning packages, including standard and deep cleaning. However, upon our research, we found several positive attributes of Homoglow.com. The first positive aspect, according to Trustpilot, is that there are many good reviews from users. These reviews say that the cleaners always arrive on time and are very professional, humble, and ready to work. People also mention that there is mutual respect between the cleaners and the clients. Many customers have praised the cleaners for doing an excellent job, with some even calling the service absolutely outstanding. The tone of these reviews is very similar, and several users recommend the service to others. The second positive aspect comes from the Whois data, which shows that the website Homoglow.com was registered on August 9, 2015. This means the website has been around for over 9 years. Having been active for such a long time suggests that the website is reliable and has built trust with its customers. The third positive aspect is that the website offers different cleaning packages to suit various needs. These include one-time cleaning, deep cleaning, same-day cleaning, and more. This variety gives customers the flexibility to choose the service that works best for them, making it easier to get the type of cleaning they need. The fourth positive aspect is that the website provides a clear FAQ section to help users find answers to common questions quickly. It also provides an email address for anyone who needs more personal help, making it easy for users to get the support they need. In conclusion, Homoglow.com stands out for its reliable service, positive reviews, long-standing reputation, diverse cleaning options, and accessible customer support, making it a trusted choice for cleaning needs. Thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more updates.